Did you know every dashboard light is a warning? Some warnings are serious, like engine trouble or a tire blowout, but how can you tell what each one means? In 2026, car dashboards have become even more advanced, but that also means more symbols, more alerts, and more confusion for everyday drivers. Many new warning lights activate earlier than older cars did, and ignoring even one can damage expensive components or shut down safety systems without you noticing. That's why understanding what each symbol really means is more important than ever. If you stay with me through this video, I'll walk you through the 15 most important dashboard lights you must never ignore, including the one that causes the most expensive repairs when drivers brush it off. And near the end, I'll reveal the warning light that surprises most people because it often appears quietly before a major system failure. Let's begin. 15. Check engine light, the most important icon on your dashboard. The check engine light looks simple, but it covers dozens of problems that can affect your engine or emission system. Sometimes it's something small, like a loose gas cap, and tightening it can make the light disappear after a few drives.
But in many cases, it points to bigger problems, such as a faulty sensor, misfire, or clogged catalytic converter. If the light stays solid and your car drives normally, you should get a diagnostic scan soon to find the cause. But if the light flashes, stop driving immediately, because flashing means active engine damage is happening. This is especially risky with modern engines because they run hotter and rely on precise timing, making them more sensitive to problems. Even one ignored misfire can ruin a catalytic converter, costing you a lot. This light protects your engine and your wallet. Never ignore it. 14. AEB disabled light. Automatic emergency braking is one of the most important safety features in modern cars. And when this warning light comes on, it means the system is either blocked or not working correctly. Sometimes the cause is simple, such as dirt, snow, or fog covering the front sensors, and cleaning them fixes the problem. But if the light stays on in clear weather, your sensors or camera modules may have a fault that prevents the system from activating during emergencies. In 2026, AEB systems react faster and are designed to prevent more collisions. So losing this feature leaves you with less protection in sudden braking situations. If you notice the light popping up frequently, have the system inspected before something goes wrong. Your car can still drive normally, but your safety margin becomes smaller. You never want this light to stay on during heavy traffic or fast highway driving. 13. Battery warning light. The battery warning light doesn't usually mean your battery is weak. Instead, it often signals a problem in the charging system, such as a failing alternator or damaged wiring. When this light appears, your car is running only on stored battery power. And once that power runs out, the engine will shut off, even while driving. Modern cars have far more electronic components than older models, so a charging failure can cause multiple systems to malfunction quickly. If this light turns on, avoid turning off the engine until a mechanic checks it, because the car may not restart. Sometimes the fix is simple, but sometimes the alternator is dying, and that can leave you stranded. This warning light is one of the earliest signs your car is about to lose power completely. When this small light appears, your car may only have minutes left before shutting down. 12. Transmission temperature warning. The transmission temperature light appears when your transmission is overheating, and overheating is one of the fastest ways to ruin a transmission.
This can happen when towing heavy loads, climbing steep hills, driving in extreme heat, or running low on transmission fluid. Modern transmissions have many small internal parts that depend on proper cooling, so high temperatures can cause permanent wear or total failure. If this light comes on, pull over safely and let the transmission cool down before driving again. Never continue driving with this warning because repair costs can become extremely high. Make sure your transmission fluid is at the correct level and doesn't look burnt. This light is a serious warning that your transmission cannot handle the current stress and needs immediate attention. Ignoring it can turn a small problem into a major repair. 11. Freezing temperature warning. The freezing temperature warning light appears when outside temperatures approach freezing, usually around 32 degrees Fahrenheit. It doesn't mean your car has a mechanical issue, but it does mean the roads may be icy and traction is reduced. Cold weather also drops tire pressure, which can affect braking and steering. Most drivers ignore this light because it seems harmless, but it's one of the most valuable safety alerts on your dashboard. Modern cars show it earlier than older models because they predict road conditions more accurately. When this light appears, slow down, increase following distance, avoid sudden braking, and check tire pressure as soon as possible. Even if the road looks clear, black ice can form without warning in cold weather. This light may not seem important, but it's one of the best reminders to adjust your driving in winter conditions. If you're finding this guide helpful so far, take a moment to subscribe to the channel. I share simple car tips that save you money, prevent breakdowns, and make driving safer. Your support helps me create more videos that explain everything in clear, easy steps without confusing technical language. 10. Coolant temperature warning. The coolant temperature warning means your engine is overheating, and overheating can destroy an engine faster than almost any other problem. The symbol usually looks like a thermometer with waves below it. Common causes include low coolant, leaks, a faulty thermostat, or a failing water pump. If this warning appears, turn off the AC, pull over safely, and shut off the engine immediately. Continuing to drive will cause serious engine damage, especially in modern cars that operate at higher temperatures. Never open the radiator cap while the engine is hot because steam pressure can cause burns. Wait for the car to cool, then check coolant levels. If you see coolant leaking, call for help. Treat this light as a final warning. Your engine won't survive long if you ignore it. 9. Lane Keep Assist Off light. Lane Keep Assist helps keep your car centered in your lane by using cameras to track road markings. When this light appears, the system is either turned off manually or is not functioning correctly.
Sometimes dirt, fog, or glare blocks the camera, causing the system to deactivate temporarily. Cleaning the windshield in front of the camera can fix it. However, if the light stays on even when conditions are clear, your system may have a fault. In 2026, lane assist systems are more sensitive and more accurate, meaning even small obstructions can turn them off. Without this feature, you lose a layer of protection during long drives or moments when you get tired. It won't stop the car from driving, but it removes a safety feature that can prevent drifting. When this symbol stays lit, your car stops helping you stay centered. 8. Oil pressure warning. The oil pressure warning light looks like an oil can with a drip and indicates your engine is not receiving enough oil pressure. Unlike the low oil light in some cars, this one is far more serious. Low oil pressure means engine parts are rubbing together without proper lubrication, and this can cause rapid and severe damage. The issue could be low oil, a failing oil pump, or internal wear. When this light appears, pull over as soon as it's safe, shut the engine off, and check your oil level. If the level is normal, but the light stays on, do not restart the engine because internal components may be failing. Modern engines rely heavily on proper oil pressure, so ignoring this warning often leads to complete engine failure. When this light appears, seconds matter. Act immediately. 7. Tire pressure warning. The tire pressure warning light looks like a horseshoe with an exclamation mark, and it activates when one or more tires drop below the recommended air level. Low tire pressure affects your car in several ways, including reduced fuel economy, slower braking, poor handling, and increased wear. In serious cases, it can even cause a dangerous blowout at high speeds, especially during hot weather or long highway drives.
Tire pressure changes naturally with temperature, so this light often appears early in the morning or during winter. When you see it, check all 4 tires and adjust them to the correct PSI listed inside your driver's door. If the light stays on after filling, you might have a puncture, a slow leak, or a failing valve stem. Many drivers ignore this symbol, but doing so can damage your tires and suspension. This easy-to-fix warning can prevent scary situations if you act quickly. 6. Basic alerts: washer fluid, door open, and low fuel. These 3 alerts seem minor, but each can affect your safety or convenience if ignored. The washer fluid light warns you that you don't have enough fluid to clear dirt, bugs, or rain streaks from your windshield, which can make visibility dangerous during sudden conditions. The door open light appears when a door, trunk, or hood isn't fully closed, and driving like this can let interior lights stay on, cause rattling, or risk a door moving unexpectedly. The low fuel alert tells you the tank is nearly empty, and running your fuel too low can damage the fuel pump because it relies on gasoline for cooling. Modern vehicles also show a tiny arrow next to the fuel icon to remind you which side the gas cap is on. These alerts may feel annoying, but ignoring them leads to bigger issues. Even the simplest warnings matter when they protect visibility, safety, and reliability. 5. Traction control warning. The traction control warning light appears as a car with squiggly lines beneath it, and it turns on whenever your vehicle detects wheel slip and activates stability control. This is normal during rain, snow, or gravel roads because the system is keeping your car from spinning or losing grip. However, if the light stays on continuously during normal driving, the traction control system may be malfunctioning or disabled.
This often happens due to a faulty wheel speed sensor, wiring issues, or a disabled setting chosen by the driver, especially in sport modes. Without traction control, your car may skid more easily during acceleration or cornering, which increases the risk of accidents on slippery surfaces. Modern cars rely heavily on electronic stability systems, so you should always take this warning seriously. If the light remains solid, schedule an inspection soon to restore full safety features. Your car uses this system to keep you steady. Never ignore the sign that it's struggling. 4. Airbag warning light. The airbag warning light usually appears for a second when you start the engine, but if it stays on afterward, it means something in the airbag system is malfunctioning. While this issue won't affect how your car drives, it directly affects how it protects you during a crash. Airbag systems rely on sensors, modules, and wiring that must work together perfectly, and even a small fault can deactivate the entire system. If this warning appears, the airbags may not deploy when needed or could deploy incorrectly in a collision. Many people ignore this light because the car feels normal, but it is one of the most important safety alerts on the dashboard. You should have the system inspected as soon as possible so technicians can find the faulty part and restore full protection. The airbag light doesn't warn you about movement, it warns you about survival. 3. ABS warning light. ABS, or anti-lock braking system, prevents your wheels from locking up during hard braking, allowing you to maintain steering control. When the ABS warning light turns on and stays lit, the system has detected a malfunction and will not activate during emergencies. Your normal brakes will still work, but your stopping distance will be longer, especially on wet, icy, or slippery roads. This issue is often caused by a damaged wheel speed sensor, faulty wiring, or low brake fluid. Even though the car seems to drive fine, losing ABS means you have less control in sudden stops. Because modern cars use ABS as part of their traction and stability control, one warning can affect multiple features. Ignoring this light can increase your risk during emergency braking situations. Have the system inspected soon to restore full safety. This warning means your car may not stop the way you expect when it matters most. 2.
Steering system warning. The steering system warning light is becoming more common in modern vehicles, especially those using electronic power steering. This light appears when the steering system experiences a fault, low fluid in older hydraulic systems, overheating, or electrical failure. When this warning turns on, you may feel the steering wheel become heavy,
uneven, or slow to respond. Electronic steering can fail suddenly if a control module overheats or wiring becomes compromised, making this one of the most dangerous dashboard warnings to ignore. If the light is yellow, drive cautiously and schedule an inspection soon. If the light turns red, stop immediately because total steering failure is possible. Modern cars rely heavily on these systems to provide smooth and predictable steering behavior. If your car warns you about steering, it's telling you control may slip away without notice. 1. Brake system warning. The brake system warning light is one of the most critical alerts and should never be ignored. It may come on because the parking brake is engaged, brake fluid is low, or there is a problem within the hydraulic or electronic braking system.
Sometimes worn brake pads or sensor issues trigger it early. Even though your car might still stop, the warning means the braking system is not functioning at full strength. Modern vehicles use sensors to detect tiny changes in pressure or fluid level, so this light often appears before a major failure. If it stays on after checking the parking brake, pull over safely and inspect for leaks or low fluid. Driving with this warning can lead to brake failure, especially in emergency situations where strong braking is needed most. When this light turns red, your stopping power and safety are at immediate risk. Understanding these dashboard lights helps you avoid expensive repairs and stay safe on every trip, especially as modern cars become more advanced. Click any of these videos on your screen, and I'll see you in a moment.